Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the anime edit tutorial on CapCut. So the next time you want to edit the anime video, you can try this edit. So first import your clips and then split it to two like this, and click on the second video and copy it, and then make the copied version as an overlay. Put it aligned with the main video like this, and then click on the overlay, go to adjust, and then set the saturation into -50. Click on the check icon and then go to mask, click on circle, and here I'm going to put the circle in here, and then click on the check icon. Next, click on the second main clips and go to adjust and set the saturations into +50. And next, click on the first clip, the main video in here, and then click on adjust and set the saturations into -50. Click on the check icon and click on the overlay again. Add a keyframe at the beginning and at the end of the overlay like this, and then at the first keyframe, adjust the size of the mask. Here I'm going to make it smaller. Click on the check icon and then go to the second keyframe and then make the circle mask bigger. So I'm going to put it in here like that, and then you can go back and in between the keyframes here, go to grabs and choose the ease out one, and then click on the effect, video effect, find this effect. Wait a minute. Okay, you need to go to the dark category and find the negative strobe effect, this one. Okay, click on a check icon and put it in the main video like this, and now you are finished. So here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye.